Welcome to Kids Vision TV. Hi guys, today we are learning to draw ice cream cone and ice cream. First, I am coloring ice cream cone upper side with dark purple color. I love to eat ice cream. Yellow color. It's time to color mango flavor.
Subscribe us for more videos.
I am coloring pink flavor. It's a strawberry flavor ice cream.
Next time, won't you sing with me? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Yellow
S,
color. It's
T,
time to
U,
color
V,
cone.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Orange
Next time,
color.
won't you sing with me?
Cone ice cream with orange color and brown color. Oh, the ice cream flavor is looking so nice.
A, B, C,
This is a
D,
watermelon
E,
ice
F,
cream.
G,
I am
H, I,
coloring
J,
red
K,
color.
L, M, N, O,
This
P,
is a
Q,
watermelon
R,
ice
S,
cream.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
Everyone
my
like to eat watermelon in
ABCs.
summer.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Dark green color. It's time to color watermelon
A, B,
outer
C,
side.
D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
And
T,
children
U,
like
V,
also ice
W,
cream.
X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time,
Subscribe
won't
us
you
for
sing
more
with
videos.
me?
I am coloring a stick with brown color. It's time to color the last one, ice cream cone. First, I am coloring peach color. Then I am coloring a buttery ice cream with lemon color. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share please. Light green color. It's time to color our ice creams with grapes flavor. And the last flavor is bubblegum.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's time to color its own dark brown color and orange color. Hope you will enjoy this video. Oh, it's looks so delicious and yummy. Oh, this is almost done. It looks like so delicious and yummy.
Subscribe us for more videos.